can divide this country. And
which category do you belong to? I thought for the longest time you belong to the classes.
I'm not asking them which category they belong to, so I won't tell you which category I belong to. But if I was to ask them, but anyway, we must recognize that how much of this country is rural. How many seats are there in Delhi? How many seats are there in Bombay? How many seats are there in Chennai? How many seats are there in Bangalore? And sitting here in Delhi, we think we know this whole country. This is a very complex country. Take Madhya Pradesh. 70% of the people are agriculturally dependent. They're not farmers. But they're agriculturally dependent because जिसकी किराने की दुकान गांव में है, उसका व्यापार चलता है किसानों की खरीदने की ताकत पर, किसानों की क्रय शक्ति पर. जो ट्रैक्टर ड्राइवर है, उसकी रोजी रोटी जुड़ी हुई है on the farmer, on the agricultural sector, the agricultural labor. The markets of Bhopal and Indore depend upon the purchasing power which originates from the agricultural sector. Now, unless we understand these certain basic facts, there will be economists who will differ with me on many things. But the fact of the matter is this, that it is agriculture which generates so much of economic activity in this country. The disposable incomes, as different to income per capita. You open a screen, you will see income per capita. That's all very well. Right. But what are the disposable incomes? Somebody who owns 5,000, who has an income of 5,000, he gets a small job of 7,000 rupees in a district, a rural district, per month. He can go and buy a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Now, 7,000 rupees in a month, you won't be able to travel to your office. Because that 5,000 rupees in a month, which he gets 5,000 or 7,000 rupees, is a disposable income. So, the challenge before us is how do we create these disposable incomes?
Can I just counter you on that, sir? And और हमारे साथ देखिए Baba Ramdev भी हैं, Prasun Joshi जी भी हैं, and Samit Patra is here as well and smiling away, and all of you have had a nice sparring session in the month of December. But this question which is being posed by you, sir, disposable income. मैं आपसे ये समझना चाहता हूं कि आपके विरोधियों का जो सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी है, उनका आरोप आप पर यह है कि आप सबसे लंबे समय तक भारत में आपने राज किया. आज की डेट में भी आप गरीबी को हटाने की बात कर रहे हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं क्या जो कांग्रेस की इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी थी, उसके ऊपर क्या प्रश्न चिन्ह नहीं लगना चाहिए? शुड देयर बी नो क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन दैट?
क्या गरीबी नहीं हटी?
क्या हटी? क्योंकि आप तो अभी भी
गरीबी नहीं हटी. आज जिस हॉल में आप बैठे हैं, जिस माइक्रोफोन से आप बैठे हैं, ये क्या पिछले 5 साल में है? क्या गरीबी नहीं हटी? क्या गांव में सुधार नहीं हुआ? आप किस बात की बात कर रहे हैं? अपनी आंखें बंद करनी है. अपना देश कहां था और अपना देश कहां पहुंचा? The question is, what are you starting with? You didn't start with a zero. We started with a zero. And when you start when you're 60 and you say I've gone to 65, well, you should be ashamed that you would only go to 65 because your starting base was so high. This is the point to understand. गरीबी नहीं हटी देश में. क्या आज कितने लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं? आज कितने लोग पहले भूखे मरते थे? तो ये आज कह देना कि 60-70 साल में कांग्रेस ने क्या किया? भाई जहां बैठे हैं, जिस मोटर में आप आ रहे हैं, जिस घर में आप रह रहे हैं, जिस चीज से आप बात कर रहे हैं, ये सब कैसे आई?
तो ये बताइए कमलनाथ जी, you've now moved your base to Madhya Pradesh. You're there in Bhopal. I saw कि अभी Friday को you've launched your promised farm loan waiver scheme in your state, which I believe is now going to benefit almost to the tune of 1.61 lakh crore is what is about to be spent in your state. Is that figure correct in the first place?
Well, the farm loan waiver, let's understand what it's all about. Just saying farm loan waiver, I don't know how many people sitting here even understand this farm loan.
No, this section does.
Let's face this reality. आज जो किसान का कर्जा है, किसान कर्जे में पैदा होता है और कर्जे में मरता है, मृत्यु होती है. ये बात इससे हम आंखें नहीं बंद कर सकते. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज है that किसानों को कैसे राहत पहुंचे. Today the most distressed sector has been the agricultural sector. Look at the farmer suicides. Compare them with Africa. We have more farmer suicides in our country than Africa. And we are saying हमने बहुत कुछ कर लिया. I don't, this is absurd. The farmer realizes that. Sitting here, you may not realize that. All sitting in these ivory towers, you won't understand this. But how many farmer suicides have there been? And why does the farmer commit suicide? He commits suicide because it's a distress he can't get out of. So, we had announced 6 months ago, I had announced 7 months ago, we are going to have a farm loan waiver. It is going to involve about 53 lakh farmers and is going to cost 55,000. The loan value, it's about 55,000 crores. Fair enough.
You have the money? You have the money to spend?
Well, we are doing it. I've started it. And in the next 10 days, forget about 2 months, in the next 10 days or 12 days, 25 lakh farmers in Madhya Pradesh will be able to stand up and say, our loan has been waived.
Okay.
This is what's going to happen. Now, for him, it becomes a new start. When he starts with he doesn't start as a debtor. He can start afresh. But this is not the end of the problem. This is not the end of the problem at all. The whole agricultural sector, हमारे पूरे कृषि क्षेत्र को एक नए नजरिए से हमें देखना पड़ेगा. जो 20 साल पहले, 25 साल पहले कृषि क्षेत्र की रणनीति होती थी, कि नीतियां होती थी, उसमें और आज में बहुत अंतर है.
उसी नीति पे प्रकाश जी.
Let me tell you that on the नीति only. ये today the problem is not shortage. एक जमाना था there was a problem of shortage. Today the problem is of excess. And when you talk about the problem of excess, how do you deal with the excess? The distress of the farmer today is not because of anything else but of excess. We have provided irrigation. Why is the farmer producing all this? Why is there so much of production? Because of irrigation. Because of the farmer's hard work. किसानों की मेहनत से और सच्चाई से आज कृषि उपज इतनी बड़ी है. You take anything. आप टमाटर ले लो, आप मिर्च ले लो, सोयाबीन ले लो,